everybody, I'm Tia, Wisconsin-based realtor and business manager. Married to my career. I'm still figuring out who I am. Hi everybody! And who I want to be. Every day I'm moving closer to something. We're having a great time. Good morning everyone! It is Saturday morning. I got 8 hours of sleep. I am feeling good. I am feeling fresh. It was just a crazy week, so I knew I needed to catch up on some sleep. It was well needed. It feels good to do so. A morning journaling. I'm planning out my weekend and I'm super excited. Truthfully, I've been feeling, I don't know what it was. Sometimes I just get like random bursts of like being down or whatever. I think a lot of it stems from like doubting myself. I'm really trying to just shake that off, look at things positively. One thing that sometimes helps me do that is like just literally keeping mental tabs on every single thing that goes good and then being like, okay, yeah, things are working out for me. And that helps me sometimes to kind of get out of whatever, groove I'm in. So been doing that. Hello everybody, it's Tia. I just got done filming content for the week. I'm trying to film shorter videos because I heard that that's what TikTok likes these days. I'm happy to have that done. Hello everyone. Don't look at my vision board. I just got out of the bath. My back is killer right now. A heating pad underneath me. I freaking fixed some bricks outside that I really had been meaning and wanting to do for a while because I was worried it might make someone fall or something. So I did that. I do stuff myself sometimes instead of like hire people. But dear Lord, I am feeling it. My back is just like spazzing out. Oh, like no other. So I'm gonna try a heating pad, and then I'm probably gonna go to bed soon. So that's my night. I'm not filmed at all today. I'm looking kind of rough. Spent the day cleaning and working and stuff. I went to my office for a little bit to do a few things. My mom and sister stopped at my office to say hi to me, so that was really nice. I just have more to clean and do tonight. So this is my Sunday. Everybody, it's Tia. I just put pimple cream on a pimple. I'm not supposed to get that many pimples because I'm on Accutane, but sometimes I'll still get a couple. What a day. I think I might have said this once before recently. Just lately I've been feeling more down. I'm like doing stuff to help myself. My mom came to say hi and drop some stuff off today, and I'm happy because I put my window screens back in. The first one I was too rough with. Cracked a little bit. So I put tape around it, which is janky and I'm mad at myself, but it is better than what I had going on before. Yay! Hello everybody! It's the Tuesdayest Monday ever because of the long weekend. I went to a store called Rehome, and it's like a thrift shop for home supply, and there was some cool stuff there, but I didn't end up buying anything. I get really overwhelmed at stores. I don't even like going to them, but I was near there for a doctor appointment and I was like, I gotta check it out. I've been wanting to for literally months and I haven't done it, so I was like, I'm gonna do it, and I did it. To dollar store because I needed some cleaning supplies and laundry supplies. Brick. Oh my god. I did not get laundry detergent. Damn it. I just realized I went there. I got $54 of other cleaning supplies. I didn't get, darn it. I'm waiting for my dinner to cook and I'm eating cucumber. Post my TikTok and then I'm gonna do some stuff. Hi everybody, I'm super sandy right now. Look at this. Take a bath and go to bed. Filling out my bathtub. There's things that like, just everything is okay. You forget like everything you're doing. That's what like, my hands does for me, so I like it. Hi everyone. This week has felt super thrown off because long weekend went to Walmart to pick up 2 prescriptions. I cut my finger on my sander. My hand slips a lot and then I just like Sam spun my hand on accident. I should wear gloves by now. I haven't evolved that far yet. Going nailless. They look pretty janky. I just have a hard time keeping up with keeping them nice and pretty when I bite them off all the time. So this is like my punishment to myself. Super nice day out. I think it's supposed to be super nice all week. It's awesome. Scheduled an open house for this weekend. There's a lot going on. Per usual. I'd take a nap here honestly forever. It's my office. I touched up my makeup on my lunch break, but it might still not look that good. I don't really know. I ever just feel like this mood. So tired. I'll see you guys soon. Morning. Heading into my office right now. I have my normal work during the day and a few real estate appointments tonight. I am at my day job. I'm a few minutes early. We're in the process of hiring a new staff member. Making a lot of reports. Money coming in, money coming out, that sort of thing. We have a busy day. Okay, so I just had a revelation. For a long time, I struggled with being consistent with things. Still something I don't think I'm that good at and I'm working on. When I wasn't consistent, I thought being consistent was the answer to a lot of things. Like if I could just be consistent with tracking my money, I'll have more money. Or if I could just be consistent with posting on social media, I'm gonna have more followers. But now that I am doing things more consistently than I have in the past, again, not at all perfect at it, but doing better and make a really concentrated effort to be better at it, I realized why sometimes I'm not consistent. You don't just have like a few weeks of consistency, see this like major change. Maybe you do, but for me, it hasn't been like that for certain things. Discouraged, and I'm like, why am I making so much effort to do things consistently when there's no return? I don't know what the answer is, but I feel like I just need to be consistent for longer with it. Find enjoyment in the consistency rather than the expected outcome. Hello, everyone. I can't remember if it was this week with the holiday week, which it would be ironic if it was, because then that would mean that it was a short week and it feels even longer. Don't mind my super chapped lips. I'm getting all nasally because I sat outside on my lunch break. I'm also like really sweaty. I went on my lunch break to pick up a prescription and then I had a little extra time, so I sat at my house and just kind of took 5, which I don't do very often, but it felt nice. Family wants to go to dinner on the boat tonight, so we're gonna do that. Mom, we're about to go to dinner on the boat. I can't pick the boat now. I'm slower than the rest of my family.
Natterdays for the boys.
And I'll do some of
Video.
ridiculous thing I think I've ever seen. That's last summer. Yo, you can't even see.
My phone is at 4%.
Oh, the cook's looking out. She's showing it.
Oh my God, look at that.
She's saying, there's that table.
Thank you.
I like it. I do it when I bring my garbage out. I do it on all my rocks.
Is he going to fall in? There he goes. This guy was right under my tire, so I'm gonna move him away from the dogs in my car.